What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, loves? Welcome. I'm your girl, Tonyanicole, and thank you guys so much for clicking the button to watch your girl. I don't know what's gotten into your girl lately, but I'm dressing so risque, which I always did, but never too much on my channel. I used to do that on, Freaky Fridays, but I'm feeling good, y'all. It's August. Football season is rolling around. It's almost about to be fall. The stupid hot summer is going to be going. So your girl couldn't be happier. Work, however, is... Oh! Shit! But that's another story. Today, guys, we're going to be doing Glossybox's 10th year anniversary box. I'm so excited to see what they have in store. It's quite heavy, my loves. So if you want to see what I got in August, Glossybox's 10th anniversary box, girl, why would you move? Why? It's fun over here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you be a part of my family. Okay, loves, welcome. As I said in the intro, I'm your fun cousin, sister, friend, Tonyanicole. Welcome. I appreciate you spending your time with me. Before we go any further, guys, I'd like to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you, dolls, so much for rocking with me. I greatly appreciate you all. We will not be long today, my loves. I do not have a drink because I suck. So you guys take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Okay, so I was going back on my feed and I did find that I have unboxed the anniversary box before. I'll try to link them down below and somewhere up here. So check them out if you haven't done so already. Also, I have my Ipsy Glam Bag X, BoxyCharm Premium, and base boxes on the channel. So check those out as well, my loves. And yeah, we're not gonna beat around the bush too much. Let's get the specs on Glossybox's 10th anniversary box and unbox it. So I do like that they kept it their standard pink BoxyCharm, Lord, Glossybox packaging. I do love that. This is a beauty subscription, my loves. This one is $21 per month. The box is supposed to be filled with products that make you want to dance the night away. Oh, all right. This has 6 products in it worth over $95. And I do have a link as well as a discount code below. Discount code, I think, is Tonya1, and that will get your first box for $1 if you sign up for the 12-month subscription. So those are down below. So check it out if you want to use it. If not, it's all good, y'all. I make nothing off of this. I do want to shout out Glossybox for sending me this box for unboxing and review. I'm happy to get your 10th anniversary box, so thank you. Now we've done enough talking. Let's get this box on and popping. Boo. Dance break and a drink break. Hey. All right, love, so let's pull it on out. This is what the inside looks like. Love it. This is the inside of the box, and it says Glossy August 10th birthday. We get this little card here, and we get the products on the inside. I'll go through that as we go through the products. And let's go ahead and pull our little string off. Open her up. It's like a, ooh, what? Okay, y'all, so this may be like one of the top glossy boxes that I've received. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's just go with this first. Like, this right here is the first product up. So this is the Keratin Smooth Deep Conditioner. It's infused with hyaluronized keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity, because baby, Louisiana is humidity's sister. Thank you. They're just, ugh. This conditioner gently smooths and detangles, leaving even the most unruly hair soft and revitalized with incredible shine. It's perfect for hot, humid August air. This is one packet that is worth $2.99, and the full size is worth $4.79. I will use this on my natural hair, guys. I love a hair conditioner that I can just put on my hair and let it go until I'm ready to wash it out hours later. So I'm happy about this. Oh, girl, my little throat is parched. Next product up is from Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. Right here, you get 15 milliliters of product in here. This is the deluxe size, and it's made with powerful marine and plant actives. including, oh girl, these words are just too much. This is an anti-aging formula that is clinically proven to improve hydration and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Your face will look and feel firmer and more radiant, always a plus. This is the Deluxe Mini. It's 30 milliliters and it's worth $45. Wow. And the full size is $128. And I do love Elemis's products. If it's got a safety seal, I won't open it. It does, but I will definitely be using this Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Absolutely love it. All right, next up we have from Cab Cosmetics, and this is a lip oil. I did get this in BoxyCharm, I think. This is a full-size product, and this is in Juicy Melon. Ooh, I never had the Juicy Melon. Oh, here's my other one right here. Girl, it's so nasty, but this is my other one from BoxyCharm, and it is pretty gross, but it smells good and it works really good. This is a nice lip oil. So let's see what, ooh, so this one is a nice, pretty purple. Let me smell it. Smells really like a juicy melon. I love it. Love it. Love it. This is $20. Now they do sell this product at Walmart. I don't know if $20 is the true price, but I know y'all will let me know, right? Absolutely. Y'all my sisters and brothers, right? So next product up is this right here from Invisibobble. This is the Elegant Hair Ring. Let me read about this. It's the Marvelous Your Great. Girl, I don't know what this is. This is a full-size product. It says this is the slim, elegant sister to the original Invisibobble. It is perfect, the perfect foundation for a party updo. Oh, it's a ponytail holder. It retails for $8, my loves. Okay, let me open this up. Oh, you get 3 in here. Oh, wow. 3 full-sized rings for your hair. I will definitely give this to my nieces. $8, and this is super duper cute. Great for a party updo, it says. 2 more products, and I don't know which one to pull out next, but I'm gonna go with this one. Girl, we got from Glow Recipe. Oh my goodness. This is the Deluxe Mini Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. A good cleanser is the first step to having healthy, glowing skin. This effective yet 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask will hydrate the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. This is a Deluxe Mini, which is 30 milliliters. It's worth $10. Full size is $34. And I am a Glow Recipe junkie, and I'm very excited for this, y'all. Like, very, very, very excited. Oh my goodness. Let's open it. Let's see. And it's a big size. It says 30 milliliters. The packaging is really cute. Oh my God, I can't get it opened. Let me rip it up. Ooh. Okay, this is the little container. I love it. This is really nice. I love Glow Recipe. Very excited to see this in Glossybox. Winner, winner, chicken dinner for this. Yes, love it. And our final product, my loves, is from Cetaphil. I don't remember how to say it, but y'all know what it is. And this is a new product. This is a full-size product. This is the Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. This is the full size. Retails for $9.99. I do use their face wash. This is for your body, dry, dehydrated skin. So guess where I will put this at? Right by my tub for when I get out of the shower or the tub. I can apply this all over. This nourishing, lightweight formula intensely replenishes the skin's hydration for 48 hours. It features the Hydrosensitive Complex, which deepens dynamic hydration and soothes skin's sensitivity. The hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B5, and vitamin E helps to hydrate dry skin. $9.99, 8 fluid ounces of product, full size, and I'm definitely going to use this. I love this brand. Oh my goodness. Like, this is a good one, guys. Okay, that was our final product. My hair keeps getting in my damn mouth. Oh my God. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. Okay, cool. So we received this beautiful lip oil from Cab Cosmetics, from Elemis, this anti-aging cream, from Hask, this keratin hair mask, from Bobble, these hair ties here. From Glow Recipe, this Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And from Cetaphil, it's a body lotion, full size. So these 6 products right here, loves. And my final thoughts, I actually think Glossybox did a great job for their 10th anniversary box. I am excited to use this product, the Glow Recipe product, the Elemis product, the lip oil, hair mask, and the hair ties. I can actually use them, but my nieces would appreciate them more. I'm happy with this box, y'all. I'm happy with this box. I thought it was a great anniversary box. You just got so much. I know it's a lot of skincare, hardly no makeup, but with Glossybox, I have grown to understand that they are a more skincare heavy box. And I'm not mad with this anniversary box. Happy anniversary, Glossybox. And thank you guys for sending me over your box to show my lovely friends what you have to offer for this month. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe to our family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you're subscribed to this box, if you're going to get this box. It's a $21 box, as I said to you guys, but I do have a discount code that will save you $1 off your year subscription. So, you know, check it out. I don't make anything off of it, my loves, but I think there's other codes and coupons on their site that you can use to save more money. So check that out. I enjoyed this box, loves. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.